Hey, hey, hey. Hey guys, welcome back to another Tech Support Spy video. As always, we appreciate you tuning in and watching our videos. My apologies to all of the people who have subscribed to Tech Support Spy. I've been out of commission for the past 3 weeks. We've been busy with computer repairs from customers here locally in Ohio. So we've been focused on that and repairing PCs. But I thought to myself, why not do a video on a laptop repair and showing people how you can open up a laptop and take out the LCD. And that's what this video is about. I think you're gonna like it. So what you're gonna see in this video is me using this pry tool. This is a pry tool. It's from ISESAME. You can Google this and purchase you one if you want to try to open up a laptop. And you're gonna see me open up a HP NV360 laptop. And I'm gonna take out the LCD screen. I got to replace the cover for that laptop. But the laptop and the LCD screen is fine, as you can see here, right? This is the LCD screen from the HP NV360 that I've taken out using this tool. And you're gonna see me go through the process of taking out that LCD screen out of that front lid cover because I'm gonna replace that cover. And I think you're gonna learn something. You know, you're gonna see in this video, I just got back from riding my motorcycle. I have a Harley. I ride a Harley street ride. My beard is everywhere. I don't care how I look. I'll have some spaghetti before I roll back home, so I'm a little pudged a little bit. Don't care. I think the content in a video is what's most significant. And I think you're gonna learn something about this tool and how it's easy to basically get into the grooves and the cracks of a laptop to get that LCD screen. And this tool can be used for tablets, for Macs, iPhones, Androids. I think you're gonna learn something from this video. If you like the video and you learned something, please comment below, like the video, share this video with others so that more people will watch this video. And as always, we appreciate you watching. Thank you for watching. Tech Support Spy. All right, guys, thanks for tuning into this video. We have a HP NV360, and a buddy of mine has a laptop that went through a fire here. And as you see, all black. See all the blackness from all the smoke and ash and everything. So I tried to clean it, didn't really work. So what we're gonna do is replace this back cover. And so I take this cover off. We've already taken off the keyboard off of this. And now what we need to do is take out the LCD screen. And I got to order the part. It's hard to find parts for some of these laptops. We're going to end up ordering a back cover or the top lid cover to this. And we're going to basically replace it. Let's see how we do. All right. So put my other piece here on. Yeah, we got to make sure we use those electrostatic discharge gloves or fingertips coverings. So one of the things is that we want to do, if you look at some of these laptops, there's always a crevice or a crack, right? You can see the crack right there a little bit. You can see my lamp right there. But we're going to try to open this up and spread out the LCD screen from this cover. So there's a crack right here, all through here, right? All through here, all around here. And we're going to split out the LCD screen from the cover. So let's start that. All right. So see, I got that in there. All right. So we're going to keep trying to get it to split out, right? And you can use some of these little thumbnails here if you can see it. I don't know what they call these, but you can use these to kind of put it in there to kind of just keep it split. there. Get this one here. So we have a little bit of problem getting it out. Let's try this. We're gonna use the heat gun. We're gonna use the heat gun. There's some adhesive behind the screen and the cover. So we're gonna try to loosen up that adhesive that has behind the LCD screen that's connected to the cover here. So all right, let's try this now. Starting to loosen up a little bit. There we go. See, it's starting to loosen up a little bit. You can see it. Just gonna go around the edges. Almost done here. Put one of the little clamps in here to keep that open. Put some more heat on it. I think the adhesive needs to be still loosened up a little bit. Yeah, that sucks. Let's use this. Let's use the gun here. We'll use the gun again. See, I got it apart here, as you see, right? Trying to get this LCD screen out so that we can replace the cover. All right, that part is out, you see? Let me put some more heat on the adhesive on this side. We're getting there. All right. So as you see, it's starting to come apart. Starting to come apart. We gotta get this other side going. See if we can get this other side. We're using this type of tool here. The Pry Tool. You can use this tool for like laptops, tablets, if you're replacing screens on tablets. All right. So if you see that, look at the adhesive right there. Can you see the adhesive? See the adhesive right there? See it sticking? Had to use the heat gun to get that melted and get that out. So I need some tweezers. I don't even here we go. Let me. Oh. All right, let's get rid of some of this. All right, as you see, this is now off. So this is the cover. I don't know why I keep looking that way. This is the cover that we're going to replace, so that the blackness, we're going to replace it with the new cover. And when we put on a new cover, we got a lot of wires here that we got to take apart. We got like the Wi-Fi antenna, we got like the webcam, we got to take all that off, right? And then what we're going to end up doing is taking this cover off and then putting on the new cover. We got to put all the wires back. And basically, we're using the same LCD screen. And a lot of times, if you have an HP or any type of laptop that has a cracked screen, this type of work can be challenging. If you don't know what you're doing, you can mess it up. But if you need to have a LCD screen replaced, a lot of times these LCD screens come with the screen and the top cover. Sometimes they don't, and you got to do what I just did: take out the old cracked screen, right? And you got the old cracked screen that's sitting like this, and then you got to take out all the wiring, the webcam, the Wi-Fi antenna, take that out, and then basically bring over the new LCD screen, put the new LCD screen back together with all the wiring, and you now replace the LCD screen on your laptop. I wanted to show you me opening up and taking out this LCD screen on this HP NV360 laptop. Once the part comes in for the cover, we'll take out all the wiring here. We'll take out the webcam, the Wi-Fi antenna, take off the script or the lid to, or the top lid to the HP NV360. Put on a new one, put all the wiring back, and this laptop will now have a new HP NV360 lid cover for the LCD screen. And I'll put everything back together and give it to my buddy. I hope you enjoyed that screen. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Comment below if you learned something. And thank you for watching Tech Support. Bye.